The next verb is sabiye. So do you remember the meaning of this verb? It is to dress oneself. So now you're going to try to conjugate it along with me. Je, and it is reflexive, so je m'habille. Now this is an ER verb, so you remember the conjugation. Tu te es. Now in both these cases, you must have noticed that this ends in a vowel and here we have a H. So that means we need to replace it with an apostrophe. Je m'habille, tu t'habilles, and il, for il it is s'habille. Here again we have the vowel clash, so, and for L also, then for nous, the reflexive is nous again, and the ER conjugation for nous is, it ends with ONS. Similarly for vous, the reflexive is vous again, and the ER conjugation ends with EZ. For il, the reflexive is s, and you know there's going to be a vowel clash, so, and the ER conjugation ends with ENT. Similarly for L. So now you must be knowing how to conjugate a verb with its reflexive. So we are going to be learning some more about these kind of verbs.